The M850 and M1000 are changing the rules of cleaning, replacing bulky machine and water tanks with an innovative solution that is more compact, manageable, and productive. The secret of this revolution lies within the ecosystem, which is equipped to standard. This patented technology recycles and reuses active cleaning solution, guaranteeing impressive water, detergent, and labor savings. With the ecosystem, it is possible to increase productivity 5 times in comparison to traditional systems. Electronic traction ensures easy and safe handling of the powerful drive motor, which fitted in a vertical position in the nose of the machine, has maximum protection against impact and water. Designed to rapidly scrub and dry, the M850 and M1000 are ideal for every type of work. The heavy-duty structure is made in steel and treated by cataphoresis, giving both physical resistance and anti-aging properties, which results in a long lifespan. The machines are available in a chrome version, MACH stainless steel line, a unique solution for particularly corrosive environments. The M850 and M1000 can be equipped with different batteries, sealed, lead acid, or forklift type, and can be supplied with a convenient on-board battery charger. Controls are simple and intuitive. The useful Easy Start feature means the machine is ready to start cleaning at the touch of a button. Forward traction is controlled by a responsive foot pedal, and the flow of solution delivered to the brush head is regulated in line with the machine's speed. By activating the Brush-O-Matic system, the brushes are quickly released and attached for rapid hands-free replacement. Other advantages include the optional Dose-Matic system, which allows for the real-time adjustment of solution concentration. The universal container holder is fully visible for constant monitoring of consumption and quick replacement without exposing the operator to chemicals. The high-capacity solution tanks are easy to fill and empty via convenient openings, and full access ensures easy cleaning and maintenance. The recovery tank is equipped with a stainless steel debris collection basket, which retains bulkier debris during the drying phase and enables quick and easy disposal. Flexible hoses ensure emptying the tanks is easy. The activation of the ecosystem boosts the capacity of the tanks, increasing continuous running time and eliminating the need to frequently stop, empty, and refill. The quality of MACH is evident in the components of the washing and drying systems. Brush pressure can be adjusted according to floor conditions. The self-leveling splash guard contains water inside the scrubbing path for a precise clean, even on uneven surfaces. The powerful vacuum motor is protected by a stainless steel filter and works in harmony with an oscillating parabolic squeegee to ensure maximum water pickup, delivering clean, dry floors even through 180-degree turns. For extra protection, the squeegee automatically uncouples in the case of accidental impact. The blades are in Linetex, the best rubber on the market, and can be used on all 4 sides, providing a longer life. The M1000 is the only machine in its category with scrub deck and squeegee in stainless steel as standard. Changing the blades is quick and tool-free. The M850 and M1000 are powerful and versatile auto scrubbers designed for intensive use across a wide range of environments. They are revolutionizing the way we clean floors, making the impossible possible. The M850 and M1000 are changing the rules.